Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if this is also your predicament, you are buried in snow, you have to get yourself these amazing snow melting mats from Seal. Now, believe it or not, as I sit here, my booty is actually warm. So these are heated. You can buy them individually. Just make sure you get at least one with the plug-in because you will have to plug these in. You pick your size, you roll them out, you obviously attach them together and plug them in, and then it will honestly melt the snow like nothing I've ever seen before. And of course, all of the connectors are waterproof and it plugs into a standard 120 volt outlet. We have had several feet of snow fall in the last couple of weeks, and this has been able to keep up most days. If it's a huge snowstorm, it takes a little bit of time to catch up, but in general, I believe it melts 2 inches of snow an hour, so that's really impressive. Another thing about these mats is that they are grippy, so they'll actually add extra security to your steps. Now, watch for the size because obviously you want to get the best fit for your stairs. These ones are a little smaller than our steps, so you do have to watch for ice buildup around them. You'll have to clean that off. But as far as shoveling your steps, you will save yourself so much time and energy. We've been incredibly impressed with these mats. I'm super happy with them. I think everybody should have them on their stairs. I know they also have bigger mats too, so on your sidewalk, things like that, you can really customize them for whatever situation you have at your house. But I think you'll love them, and that's my point of view.